Yo, so there's a big confusion if a Vybz Kartel alone get the key to the county, or the rest of the man them get the key to the city and Vybz Kartel get it for the county. There's a big confusion, but today we're going to talk about the power of social media, mainstream media, and the media in general, even the vloggers them as media. Yeah man, me just feel like it's something we need to talk about over This Is Real Talk. Real Talk.
DJ Dreadbeard, subscribe now.
Yo, welcome back to a brand new episode of This Is Real Talk. And I'm your host, DJ Dreadbeard. Wanna know how it go? If a real talk me I make, you like the video, subscribe if a real talk me I make. And if you can afford it, the link to the PayPal I got there in the comment section, so you can shot me a PayPal if a real talk me I make. Yeah man, so somebody link me in my comment section and say the background of my always I use with the brother throw up the Gaza side, he must say I'm bridging and him drop out. You see me? So he must say every time he must watch my video, he remember I'm bridging. You see me? So I just change it. You see me? A simple thing, man. Me no remember who said, so you can comment. You see me? Yeah, you can comment at who said. Yeah man, but RIP to a real Gaza fans. Yo, so by now, the whole world must know how powerful the media is. From your mature enough and understand life, you know so the media very powerful. Fox News, CNN, who has said Trump, who has said Democrat, who has said, you see me? Yeah, them all have them agendas, and when we grew up, them show with Africa and show with some starving people, and everybody thinks that Africa are just a little starving place. So the media powerful. Information destroy country. Information sink ship. Remember my hashtag, you can't get facts from a hater. Yeah, so more while, the media are all the hater. The media they're on different side of the fence. So they might give you a wrong news and you have it as facts and you run with it. You see me? Because we believe. Because we grow up for believing in the news and have the news as credible. As me say, since we get mature and grow up now, we understand that the news not always right and the news have their own agenda, you know. Yeah, it built in a way. If you know, say from your head from the news, I saw it go. So you see the story here with Vybz Kartel, as me say, them broad brush it. So who are forward from over my main channel, you have to watch my main channel if you don't get confused where this a come from. So them broad brush it. Right now, if you go up on Google and ask the Star or the Gleaner, you probably see them say, yo, Vybz Kartel rack up another accolade, humanitarian award, and that's it. Them now go deep down in it and tell us, say, yo, if a the 5 man them get the key to the county, or if a Vybz Kartel alone get the key to the county, them now give you a story, them just sweep over it. That are the power of the media. You can imagine if the Observer or Main Danger them quest time, both social media and mainstream media have the same power right now. Cause any one of them did forward out and say, yo, Vybz Kartel get another accolades, and them tell us, say, yo, are the key to the county, and the rest of the man them just tell you as it is. As it is right now, me confused. Me don't know if are the 5 man them get it or a Vybz Kartel alone get it. Seriously, cause when me ask ChatGPT, they might give me 2 different answers, but the final answer, it would have sound like a Vybz Kartel alone get the key to the county, which make more sense if you now follow my vlog. Say him close out the whole ceremony, and him it did all about like 70% of the whole ceremony, it was about Vybz Kartel. So clearly him get a award different. But what I say is, if the Star, the Gleaner, Main Danger, or somebody did say, yo, Vybz Kartel get the key to the county, it would have been more hype than this. You would have more conversation, you would have more haters that have something to say. Right now, not even the haters them have nothing to say. The haters them hush up, the haters them confused just like me. So both the Gaza nation and the haters them confused. So there is not a conversation simply because the media nah run with it, or simply because the media never talk about it. So that is how powerful the media is right now, especially social media. Social media can hype you up, and it can make a hype story look like a nothing. You see me? You know what can hype up this now? As me say, one day Vybz Kartel upon him live or upon an interview, and them ask him about it. And him say, yeah, I did get the key to the county. You see me? And then you see it start flare up. And then probably somebody asks him, and probably somebody were investigative, or somebody will have more credibility, or somebody were more known, talk about it and explain what it take place the day there. Yeah, probably it get more hype. Anytime at all, next month, next year, when they talk about it, but right now, nobody not talk about it. There's only a type of way right now or the media powerful. Alright, watch this. You know, say people used to pay Pretty Dan for Pretty Dan diss them, and that is a form of promotion. I don't know if there's a word for it, but it sounds like negative press. Yeah man, simple controversy still. Like people really pay Pretty Dan for diss them, you know, when Pretty Dan used to dip on the chair, you know. And at diss people, you know, who they in the book, you know, people pay Pretty Dan for the in the book, you know. Because when Pretty Dan talk about you, then whole heap of eyes depend on you, and probably other people start talk about you. And probably if you're even an artist, you can run out to that tune and them say, see you the Pretty Dan did this, a whole heap of way how the media effective and how the media can build a story and kill a story just by not talking about it, or just not talking about it in the correct order. Alright, watch this now. I open it still there, you know, because I don't know say my reasoning them, it can go poetic more while. So like how you have people who pay Pretty Dan for she talk about them negatively. You know, say you have people out there where you just a praise them not talk about you none at all. Like when they one spot media them and serpy them there in a them prime. You know much time them man they talk about people wrongfully, and people have to come out and make disclaimer say you are the wrong person, mistaken identity, people even dead. So while you have one hand over here, so you want the media to call the name whether in a good light or a negative light, you have one next side of the media where you don't want them man to call the name none at all. Not even your last name, your first name, your middle name, none of your name. You don't want them man to call. Yeah, them man they will set up you for your dead. And watch what happen now. Remember, you know, are the people them give them the power there, you know. Yeah, because we grow up and we trust mainstream media and know say yo, when mainstream media talk, them credible. If they make a mistake, then come back out and apologize. All of a sudden now you have some man who report pan who a bad man and who a wicked man, who a corner boy, and the people them take them credible. The people them start take them as mainstream media now. The Serpy on the spot and them crime flagger there. So when them man they talk, gunman start look for you. A dead you dead. You see me? So the media very powerful, bro. Media is a weapon. You see me? Yeah, and once the people them say you're credible, whether facts you talk or your fake news, once the mass over there so think you're credible, you go cook. When them talk about you, or if them not talk about you, vice versa. If them not talk about you, it just fall upon deaf ears, and if you did go up, them just left you one place. You see me? Them bill you and kill you, the media, bill you and kill you. And in closing, bro, we not even should I look for no credible news from the Star and the Gleaner pertaining to Vybz Kartel, because you don't know, say, them narrate Vybz Kartel. Them are wait for some bad news. Remember when I time all nationwide? Remember when I time nationwide was an alkaline vlogger until them get the interview and the whole thing mash up? Remember nationwide not talk about nothing about Vybz Kartel, you know? Unless a bad news, you know? Anytime a bad news or something will sound like a bad news, nationwide run out with it and them tell you exactly in a details what go on. And if Vybz Kartel for sell gold or sell out arena you never see, nationwide, I tell you say, Vybz Kartel sold out one arena in history. When the Star will say it, but them not go over it in the details or no big story, they will just say it on the social media, Vybz Kartel, back to back Barclays. Nationwide not tell you that, so that's one of the examples. Say you have narrative news, you have news that pick them side. You see me? Because them hate Vybz Kartel, them keep on a run with everything what Alkaline did do. If Alkaline sell a bag juice, you see nationwide post it. Don't never remember the little something there until Alkaline give them the interview and Cliff Hughes forward out and say one of the worst interview and them cut them off and them stop talk about Alkaline now. Yeah, but before that, be Alkaline, the least like a simplest thing. A lie nationwide that tells the Alkaline sold out the Trelawney Stadium and be a fake news, big nationwide where you're supposed to credible. So the news, people have the news as credible. Whether you want to be a vlogger, a mainstream, a social media page, them powerful in the internet area. So because Quest Time and me and Danger not talk about Vybz Kartel, key to the county, nobody not talk about it. You don't see a bag of vloggers, you don't see it over TikTok, nobody. If a pin drop, you hear it right now. You see me? Yeah. So the power of the media, me just have to forward out and do this over here, so because we still I wait for YouTube. I don't know what YouTube depend. You see me? For monetize the channel and things. So we're there, probably every 3 days, every 4 days, I go or something, cause it don't make no sense. As myself, I drop video over here, so right now, Me not earn from it, none at all. You see me? Link to the PayPal there. More while nobody not look upon that. You see me? But yo, we there same way. If you want to support the channel, the super thanks over DJ Dreadbeard works. So you can drop it and drop this off over Real Talk Reasoning. I don't know how to use social media, you see me? Yeah man, but people me there same way. If a Real Talk me I make, drop a Real Talk in the comment section. Like the video if a Real Talk me I make. And definitely subscribe if a Real Talk me I make. You see me? This was another episode of This Is Real Talk. I am DJ Dreadbeard signing out.
Real Talk.